My name is Jacob Lee. I'm in the automotive program here at JTech, and today in this video we're going to be talking about engine performance. This right here is a scan tool that we're going to use with these different PIDs. These are all live data. We've got our camshaft sensors, the trouble codes, engine RPM, fuel pump, system status, idle air control, fuel trims, mass airflow, sensors, EGR, O2, fuel trims, throttle position, vehicle speed, and air conditioning in the clutch. We've got all of those selected. You can go out more and get more options, but these are just the options that we've chosen for the specific vehicle that we're going through right now. First thing we're going to do on this vehicle is we're going to make sure that it's connected to a battery charger so that we keep the source nice and powered. Go ahead and plug it up, get it going at about 10 amps so that we can read this scan tool that we just talked about. Different areas like the sensors. This is a MAF sensor. And then we have our fuel sensors and stuff in here. We've got our thermostat sensor here, EGR up here. We've got our cam and crank sensors down there. Can't really see them because they're so deep in there. Back in the back, underneath with the exhaust, we've got our O2 sensors. Our NOx sensor is also located on the block, pretty deep in there. And those are our sensors. Next, we're going to talk about the different things for the ignition. We've got our fuel rail right here, which has our fuel sprayers here. We've got our ignition coils right here. And that's pretty much everything on the fuel side and the spark side as well. Over here on this side, we've got our throttle position sensor, which when the throttle opens gives us a reading on the scan tool. So that reads what position this throttle is at. It's a throttle plate on the inside here. This right here is the evap system. Basically what this does is it takes the fumes from inside the gas tank and pushes it back through into the combustion chamber so that the gases can be reused. It cuts down on the emissions and all of those things that the EPA has put into effect. Now inside the vehicle, you're going to turn the ignition switch to on, and then you are going to plug your scan tool, which the one that we have here is a wireless one that connects to our scan tool outside the vehicle. That's going to come down and plug into the DLC or the data link connector. The vehicle does need to be in the on position, not running, but in the on position for the regular tests, but there are some tests that we need the vehicle to be running. Things like fuel trim and the misfires and those things like that need the vehicle to be running, as well as the power balance tests and things like that that you can control through there as well. Thank you for your time. That was a video on the ignition system and a lot of things that go along with engine performance. And that is going to be all. Thank you. My name is Jacob Lee, a student here at JTech Automotive Programs.